YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Joneses, and once again, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you stopped through. I'm glad you're checking out my video, and I appreciate it. But you know, if you're digging the content and you've seen a couple of my other videos, hit that sub button. And, you know, drop a like on this one. You know, come back to the channel often too. But anyways, man, if you've been here before, y'all already know I stay with some heat, and it's been pretty crazy. Like I got two pair of shoes sitting right here, and then they both hard. Like they're both pretty tough and they're on fire. It's real hot right now. But nah, for real. Real quick before we get into it, I do want to say the giveaway is still going on. I will be in the next video picking the winners for the gift card and t-shirt. So if you want to enter, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and follow me on Instagram or Twitter. And screenshot you subscribe and post notifications on and send it to me on Instagram or Twitter, letting me know that you're subscribed and you're tuned into the channel. And once you do all that, leave a comment, talk to your boy. You know, just say something, I'll reply back. And if you're watching this video and you want to comment, just go ahead, comment, talk to me. I reply to literally like every comment. Like every comment, I kid you not, I sit and talk to people in the comments all the time. So if you want to comment and talk to me, go ahead. You got any questions, ask me. Feel free to ask anything. But I do want y'all, after this video, I want you to go in the comments and I want you to let me know. If you see my videos before, you've seen a couple of my shirts like this. You've seen the Off-White Joneses belt tee. If you like some of that stuff, let me know. If you think I should start selling merch, I'm not too sure yet if I want to. I've just been making shirts that I like and, you know, just putting different stuff together because I'm tired of spending 20-30 bucks on t-shirts. So let me know if you think I should start selling merch or something and putting some stuff together for y'all if y'all like them. But anyways, man, let's get into the heat, man, because I got this stuff right here is crazy. So up first, we got another pair of threes. Now this colorway is pretty nasty. I think it's not a sleeper, but it's just not, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a big threes guy, but the last two colorways I've had, the UNCs and then this one, they're both like decent, good looking colorways, especially UNC threes. That's probably one of the colorways I mess with the most out of all the threes. But this colorway is sick too, so let's go ahead and get it out. These are the Knicks threes, and these, yeah, they're a lot harder. Like I've looked at them a couple times already, and it's like, it's just one of those shoes that get better and better as I look at them. So we got the Knicks threes right here. So same as most threes, they got that elephant print, and then they got that leather upper that's really tumbled. Y'all check that out. It's like really tumbled. I like it on these. You know, good quality leather. We got the orange midsole right here going around the back to the heel. And then we got the gray bottoms, and I love how the bottoms look on the threes. I think it looks really dope. But we got some orange in there, we got some gray, then we got the navy, and then some more orange Jordan logo right there. And then on the tongue, we got another Jordan logo and orange. And then we got the blue lining all on the inside of the shoe. And it's sick. And then we got the tag, the little hang tag, and this is a dope one. Like I like when they do the different color hang tags. This is dope. So we got the orange, and then it's got the blue Jumpman instead of the clear. So that's different. But also we have some orange lace eyelets right here, and then we got blue up here, and then a section of elephant print right here, and then once again orange right here again. And this shoe is it's put together very good. I have a lot of stuff that matches these, and this is just a sick colorway. I've told y'all before, I like when they put those like hints of a color on like an all white shoe or an all black shoe. Oh, and on the back, we got a white heel with the blue Jumpman and Air logo on the back, the navy, or it's kind of like royal blue. This is kind of navy back here. Everything else is like a normal blue. But yeah, like I said, I like when they do the hints of like a color around the shoe. Like it just makes it stand out more on a white shoe or a black shoe, and I think that's dope. I really like that about shoes. So let's get the other one out. Y'all check this one out. It's pretty sick. Let's get the other shoe out. Take a look at them, go over a couple different details if there are any. And this is a purchase from Foot Action. receipt right here. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of different stuff. Like, these were bought from someone instead of me going on Go. I got them for cheaper, so it came with foot action. It's funny because one shoe has the plastic like toe cap to keep from creasing and stuff, and the other shoe has the cardboard. I think that's funny, but hey, whatever works. These shoes are still dope. On the inside of this one, they say April 8th, 88, with the orange, just like an orange tab right here that's upside down. I know usually it says like Air Jordan or something, but this is upside down. It has a date. I don't know if you guys can see that well. It has a date in white up there. That's pretty dope. I don't know what that means. I could probably look it up, find out what it means. I'm gonna look it up, and I'm gonna put a little like piece up right over here, like a screenshot, letting y'all know what it means. So yeah, everything the same on this shoe. Everything exactly the same eyelets, nothing different. It's just a real clean colorway, and the highlights of like the orange and the blue on the all white with the elephant print. I do love the elephant print on threes. That is one thing I really like about threes. They have the elephant print on like every pair, and it just looks really good. So this is a sick colorway. I like these a lot. I love how also the lining isn't like, it's kind of hard to explain. It's not like the normal lining that you get in shoes. It's like a lot softer and more like velvety a little bit. But it's dope though. I like these. This is a sick colorway. The tongue is also leather. These are nasty. Let me know what y'all think about these. I think they're dope. I think it's a nice OG colorway right here. But there we go. Knicks threes. They're fire. But it's about to get even hotter. So this shoe right here. So the backstory behind this shoe. So this shoe dropped on sneakers, and I was debating whether I should get it or not, and my boy was like, those are tough, but I don't think you should get them. So I sat on sneakers for like 10 minutes, and then they sold out. And my laptop had already been open on Finish Line because I was trying to get the Royal Toes, which I took an L on. And it was just sitting there open. And I remember earlier when I was looking on sneakers, trying to thinking about whether I was gonna get this pair of shoes or not. I was sitting there looking, and they had already put me in the hang tight, like the wait in line section. And I was like, dang, they already got me waiting in line. Like, they took me out the site to put me in line. So I was like, whatever. So these sold out on sneakers. And once they sold out, I kid you not, it just happened miraculously. Like, it was crazy how it happened. They sold out, and I was like, dang, I'm not gonna get them. Whatever, I'm not really tripping on it. Like, I didn't really want them. I didn't, because in the pictures, they look alright, but it was just like, nah. And pictures were doing them no justice at all. So I didn't think they were that flashy. I didn't think they looked that good. But after sneakers had said sold out, I look at my laptop, and on my laptop, the shoes are sitting there. And I'm like, maybe that's them trying to tell me to get these. So I'm like, you know what, whatever. But real quick, if you're enjoying the video, drop a like, hit that sub button if you haven't already, and leave a comment, talk to your boy. But anyways, back to the shoes. So they're sitting there on Finish Line, and I'm like, you know what? Let's get a pair. So I go to click on them. They have my size and everything. Like, they're not sold out. I wasn't waiting or anything. I was already in. I click on them, click on size 10, and I'm like, I can really get these right now. So I add in the cart, and it goes through fluently. Usually you got to add in the cart over and over. It went through fluently, and I'm like, yo. So then I scroll down to go to pay, and then there's like a payment plan. Now, I didn't know you could payment plan them, but one of the reasons I didn't want to get them is because I'm trying to save money right now. I'm trying to get a car, and I was saving money, and I'm like, I'm not trying to spend this whole $200 or $190, pretty much $200 plus tax and shipping. I'm not trying to spend this whole $200 right now. I don't think they're worth it. And I see the payment plan, it's like, pay $50 today, and you pay 4 payments. So I'm like, there's no way they're only gonna make me pay $50 today. So I click on it to set that up, and then it shows 50, and I clicked accidentally like to continue the purchase after I went through everything. And I was trying to get to the screen where it showed like the total for today, and I was already on that screen. I had no idea, and I clicked confirm, and I thought it was gonna take me to another screen and change the price, up it a little bit, but no, it stayed on 50. So I clicked confirm, and I freaking paid for 2 days shipping and everything. And I'm like, Well, they're coming here now. So they got here yesterday, and I was like, I went to the post office, I picked them up, and I'm like, I hope these are hard. So I got home, and these are the metallic purple 3s, or the court purple 3s, whatever you want to call them. I don't know what a lot of people call them, but this box is, or not 3s, I'm tripping, 4s, the metallic purple 4s. And this box is dope, but the only thing I don't like is not the normal 4s box. But also, y'all know I love 4s, so I wasn't that mad. Like, you know, I wasn't that mad that I got them. So let's go ahead and get them out. And look, I'm gonna be real, I was sleeping because these are a lot harder than what the picture shows. Listen to me right now. When I pull this shoe out, just understand this video and pictures of them are not going to do them that much justice, because in person they look so much better. So let's get a shoe out. So we got these court purple or metallic purple 4s, and y'all, these are so nasty. So let's get into a couple details real quick. There's really no other details. So the whole shoe is all white, and then we got these like metallic purple eyelets. We got a purple Jumpman, and then we got the purple tongue lining, and then it says Air Jordan right there upside down, like most of the 4s, in purple. And then also on the inside we have a purple insole with a white logo. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but then we got this nice velvet feel. It's like really velvet white liner right here, but the rest of the shoe is all white, and it just has these hints of purple. So I was just explaining to y'all how I like the shoes that have that little hint of color. Now these only have like this tiny little bit of hints. The way I wear my 4s is I cover up the tongue, so you're not going to see the tongue unless I'm wearing freaking sweatpants or like jogger pants, which I hardly ever wear. But also real quick, we have the metallic purple. It's like metal. Like, it's plastic, but it's like really high quality plastic. It's not like painted where I don't think this is going to chip at all. I don't think the color is going to chip off of this. But yeah, we got that purple, and it just looks good. And also inside the air bubble, the stuff in there is purple. It's just, they're sick. We got purple on the bottom, we got purple Jumpman, and this is just a nasty shoe. Like, I was sleeping. I think a lot of people were sleeping because it took like 15-20 minutes for them to sell out on sneakers, and lately like shoes have been selling out fast on sneakers. So when I saw they were sitting there after like 20 minutes, I was like, dang, like maybe they don't look that good. So I got them, and now I'm just like, wow. Like I put them on, I made an outfit, and I was just like, dang, these are actually sick. So I'm happy I have them. The metallic purple 4s, these are so nasty. Let's get the other shoe out so I can show y'all. And it's just a disgustingly sick colorway. Like, y'all cannot tell me these are not hard. Well, actually you'll probably say they don't look good, but it's not until you see them in person that you realize like it's a nasty colorway. And it's just, I love the slight hints of everything. The slight hints make this shoe, and it's just sick. And I love 4s already, so I can't wait to wear these. It's going to be dope putting fits together with this. I put together so many the other night after I got them, and I'm just like, dang, I'm extremely happy I have them. Like, my mom likes them. My sister and her boyfriend are trying to get a pair now, and they're just like, dang, they should have got them when they released. So they're sick, man. It's a nasty colorway, all white. I love the all white, the like pure white cocaine look. And then it's got the hint of purple, and I think the purple goes well. And also, if you don't know, this is like, there's a whole pack. There's like purple pair, there's a red pair, a green pair, and an orange pair, and they all look good. And I want the green pair, but like, I don't know how it worked. They didn't release here. Like, purple's released here in the United States. I don't know where the other one's released, but that's how it was working. So we got the purple ones, and I got lucky enough to get them. They weren't selling like that. But over time, I think these are really going to go up in price. Like, I think they're going to go up in price. And a lot of people are going to regret that they didn't get them. One thing I wish is that these came with the like tie-dye-ish light purple laces that came with the court purple ones. The 2.0s that y'all saw on my channel, those would be sick in these. Anyways, man, that's all we got for today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, hit that sub button if you haven't already, and leave a comment, talk to the boy. I love talking to y'all. I appreciate you all. And once again, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy the content. Check out some of the other stuff on my channel. And if you see anything you think is dope, leave a comment, talk to me. But once again, we got, actually real quick, we got the Knicks 3s, and then we got the metallic purple or court purple 4s, and they're both sick. But as always, man, it's your boy Joneses. Y'all know I stay dripped. Peace.
Turn it off my phone, bitch, leave me alone. It's just one of them nights that I need to get high and get in my zone. I don't really need to talk about it, stop asking. Leveling up to bring all that cash in. Perfecting my craft and my passion. Chain smoke gas to make my voice raspy. Get off my phone, just leave me alone. Cause it's one of them nights that I need to get right and get in my zone. I got too much talent to go broke. They say that my city got no hope, but I'ma shine bright on you slow pokes and get to a bag, and that's no joke. For real, evolution, elevation, and movement. Hating on us is outrageously stupid. No, it ain't us, it's the way that we do it. Don't hate on us, hate the way that we make all our music so tastefully. Get to the paper so faithfully. And habits just dropping like maple leaves. Do all the things that seem make-believe. And I ain't never been a snitch, I ain't never been a bitch. That shit gotta stop, I'm chasing paper for a grip. Make more paper, make it thick, I gotta get guap. That's how I stay focused, I'm focused. The money, the motive, I'm mobile like a Motorola. But fuck that, it's 2018, hope that in the near future I'm mobile, cause I'm in a Rover. Pop me a pill to stay sober, cause to me it's normal to not be so normal. It's fuck your opinion, don't wanna take photos until my wrist glisten and look like a snow globe. Don't want your feature, homie, you a homo. They ask who the best is, they already know though. Soon as they hear this, they gonna go loco. Your bitch in my lap and the game in the choke. Turning off my phone, bitch, leave me alone. It's just one of them nights that I need to get high and get in my zone. I don't really need to talk about it, stop asking. Leveling up to bring all that cash in. Perfecting my craft and my passion. Chain smoke gas to make my voice raspy. Get off my phone, just leave me alone. Cause it's one of them nights that I need to get right and get in my zone. I got too much talent to go broke. They say that my city got no hope, but I'ma shine bright on you slow pokes and get to a bag, and that's no joke. For real, I really don't need to repeat it, but I'm so goddamn selfish. Conceded too, I beat it up and they keep running back and wanna beat again like they need abuse.